Hey guys, Puggy here. Sorry about the other video. I did not record for some odd reason. We got the tin that all these cars came in. Like, can you believe that? We're gonna see all those pretty quick. So yeah, leave me a comment below. What is your favorite Pokemon? That's cool. Look, Greninja. Right. What's Chestnut? I think. Flareon, I think. Tin. This is a cool tin. Actually. So this game previously opened by my best friend, or one of my good friends. So we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna put them here and see which one your favorite is. So there's. Oh, this is actually a video on a quiz. Like, this is actually a quiz video, so I can get the video. My head messed up. So, this is the real video. Beep. So, alright, so here I'm gonna try to read this as fast as you can. So, the other videos won't be as bad as this one. I promise. Alright, ready, set, go. Alright. What's her name? Okay. Now, her? No, I have no idea. I'm just keep on going. Oh wow, Geodude. Hey, oi, it's upside down. Oi, okay, cool. Oh, Lillipup. Jeez. Alright. Yellowton. Oh, Spritzee. You don't see them on the side. Freebus. Surprise that! 10. Ghastly. Flesh Finder. Magmar. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, a Gardevoir. What? Awesome. Shinx. I'm not watching at these. I'm just like seeing from the camera. It's pretty annoying for me. For y'all, you're just like enjoying the video. Amidst reviews. Okay, that's a pretty cool card. Oh, Dodrio, that's so cool. Dodrio. Oh. A Spear Bomb. A Zubat. Kind of soft. Oh, bro, look at that. Look at this. A Flareon EX. We got a Pidgey. They're all classic Pidgey. No way. We got a Mew. Wow, okay, thank you. Barbacore. Can't understand that. Got some energy. Esper. Oh my god, there's like Pokemon cards splattered all over the place. Okay. Muscle Band. Yikes. Okay, that's one flying. Sorry about that. Let's put that with it. Reuniclus. What's this guy? Ooh, Mr. Mime. He's pretty rare. Mr. Mime is really rare in Pokemon Go. Oh, leave it down in the comments down below if y'all play Pokemon Go. Oh, a reverse Caterpie. Some Fire Energy. A Seedot. A Sneasel. It's a pretty weird name. We got a Golbat. Oh, hello. Sit down. Fletching. We got a Fire Energy. Oh gosh. That's a Pidgeotto, guys. Just let you know. A Metapod. Oh, I can see evolved form. Caterpie, because you see a little picture over there? See a little picture over there? See the evolved form of Caterpie, I'm guessing. Oh, Scraggy. I never know what he's doing, because I've seen a lot of pictures. Shroomish. Slugma. Ooh, that's an Eggman. Oh, I didn't see that one. Flabebe. Ekans right there. A Tangledoor. I'm just bringing it over here. For y'all already know. Tangledoor. We got Neptune. Okay. Oh, this Pokemon card is flying. Wait, which one? Oh, look at guys. Old classic Slowpoke. Why are you so slow? We got a Sturvin. There's like Pokemon cards everywhere, literally. Nuzleaf, I don't know how to pronounce it. Reverse Golbat. This is cool. Oh, get back there. A Swablu. Oh my gosh. Hey, we got a Snivy. That's pretty cool. We just got a Snorvine. A Pinsir. And we got a Dido. We still have more scattered all over the place. Now, guys, I'm not looking at these. I'm looking at them, and this is like an emergency. So, next up, I was upside down. No! Oh, an Articuno. That's awesome. Tell me. Oh, what? What? No. We have him. Guys. No, I'm not obsessed with Pokemon. I just like Pokemon. I'm getting used to it. Alright, so we got an Articuno. Tell me in the comments down below, to me, these 3 comments. Do you play Pokemon Go? What's your favorite Pokemon? And tell me what's your favorite Pokemon from these I'm about to unlock. Not unlock. Let's see. We got Articuno. Yeah. Snorlax. Old-fashioned Goodra. Aegislash. I think is the evolved form of Honedge, I think. Yeah. Wyville. Never know how to pronounce his name. Gyarados, and the best for last came with this tin. Boom. Greninja EX. So, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to hit that. I'm tired. Don't forget to hit that like button, and see you next time. I'll play the gamer. Bye.